I was inspired by leaders, Machiavelli, who were only killed, not just who died, who were only killed. Because
So as the world, what should we stop? What should we start? What should we continue because we're doing right?
Mama Nomzamo, Madikizela, right? Mandela. In fact, I'm surprised they didn't kill her. We haven't studied leadership enough. Not enough books have been written on leadership. We are almost at the brink of a civil war. I'm talking in South Africa alone. I don't even want to go to other places where unemployment is higher than us. You don't succeed or fail. No, we've been sold that lie. That is a lie, a blatant one. You don't win or fail, Bashe. You fail along the way towards success. That there is a reason why the act of going to get fish from the river is called fishing. It's not called catching. I mean, think about that for a while. It's not called catching. All you need is you want to learn how to sell. Stick with people who sell. The greatest disappointment that God has on you